शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरोहरा। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि आर्तान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाठी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. So it will do 20 and 23, right? So Satya and Sujata, can you go through the review?
Okay, Rajesh. Yeah.
I don't know whichever one you want to pick, 20 or 23.
I'll take 20.
ನಾನು ಅದೇನೋ ಸರಿ ಪಣ್ಣು. Okay. That's okay. Okay, that's fine. We can manage, yeah.
Okay, thanks. All right. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Priya Vratasya Priyaputra Bhutad Agni Drarajadudito Hinabihi Tvam Drishtavan Ishtadam Ishti Madhye Tavaiva Tushyai Kritayajna Karma Abhishtutastatra Munishvaraistvam Rajnyasvatulyam Sutamartyamanah Swayam Janishyeham Iti Bruvanah Tiro Dadabarushi Vishwamurte Nabi Priyayam Atameru Devyam Tvam Amjato Bur Rishabhabidanah Aloka Samanya Guna Prabhava Prabhavita Shesha Jana Pramodah Tvai Triloki Bhritirajya Bharam Nidayana Bisahameru Devya Tapovanam Prapya Bhavan Nishevi Gatah Kila Nandapadam Padam Te Indrastvadut Karsha Krithadamashat Vavashanasminna Jana Bhavarshe Yada Tada Tvam Nija Yoga Shaktya Swavarshamena Dyadada Suvarsham Jitendra Dattam Kamanim Jayantim Ato Dvahan Natma Ratashayopi Aji Janastatra Shatam Tanujan Esham Shitisho Bharato Grajanma Nava Bhavan Yogi Vara Navanye Twapalayan Bharata Varsha Kandan Saika Twashitis Putraha Tapo Balad Bhusurabu Uktva Sute Byota Munindra Madhye Virakti Bhaktyanvita Mukti Margam Swayam Gatah Parama Hamsya Vrittim Ada Jadon Matta Pishacha Charyam Paratma Bhutopi Paropadesham Kurvan Bhavan Sarvanirasyamanah Vikarahino Vichachara Kritsnam Mahim Ahinat Parasabilinah Shayuv Vratam Gomriga Kakacharyam Chiram Charan Napya Param Swarupam Davahritangah Kutaka Chaletvam Tapan Mama Pakuruvatanata. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Prachetasastu Bhagavan Aparopi Dakshaha Vatsevanam Vyadita Sarga Vivriddhikamaha Avirbabhuvitathada Lasadashtabahuhu Tasmai Varam Daditatam Chavadhuma Siknim.
The third line, Avir. Okay, you don't have to repeat it, but Avir.
Okay, Avirbabhuvita. Okay. Tasyatmajas Tvaitamisha Punasahasram Srinaradasya Vachasa Tava Margamapuhu Naikatra Vasam Rishayesa Mumocha Shapam Bhaktotamastu Rishir Anugrahameva Mene. எனக்கு அதை சேர்த்து சொல்லுமா? அனுகிரகன் சொல்லணுமா இல்ல ரிஷர்?
Yeah, that's fine. Bhaktotamas Rishir Anugraham.
ரிஷர் அனுகிரகமேவ மேனே. அதை சொல்லும்போது அந்த டியூன் வந்து அந்த ஆ சொன்னாதான் வருது, அதனால. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. ஷஷ்ட்யா ததோ துஹித்ருபிர் ஸ்ருஜதஸ்குலௌத்கான் दौहित्रसूनुरततस्य स विश्वरूपः त्वत्स्तोत्रवर्मितम् अजापयदिन्द्रमाजौ देवत्वदीय महिमा खलु सर्वजैत्रः। प्राक्षूरसेन विषये किल चित्रकेतुः पुत्राग्रही नृपतिर् अंगिरस प्रभावात् लब्ध्वैकपुत्रमत तत्र हते सपत्नी संगैः अमुह्यदवशस्तव माययासौ
अमुह्यद avashas. So amuhyadavashas.
Okay, amuhyadavashastava mayayasau tam naradastu samamangirasas dayaluhu angirasa dayaluhu samprapya tavadupadarshya sutasya jivam kasyasmi putra iti tasya gira vimoham tvakta tvadarshana vidau nripatim nyayunkta stotram cha mantramapi naradatota labdhva toshaya shoshava pusho nanute. Oh, sorry. And edukku endha இடத்துல
toshaya shesha.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Toshaya sheshava pusho nanute tapasyan vidyadaradipatam sahi saptaratre labdvapya kuntamatir anvabhajat bhavantam tasmai mrinala dhavalena sahasra sishna rupena बद्धनुति सिद्ध गणावृतेन प्रादुर्भवन्निचरितो नुतिभिः प्रसन्नो तत्त्वात्मतत्त्वम् अनुगृह्यति रोदतात.
Third line, प्रादुर्भवन न चरितो नचिरतो அது நீனு கேட்டது எனக்கு. प्रादुर्भवन
नचिरतो. Okay, okay, okay. त्वद्भक्तमौलिरत सोऽपि स लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भवनेषु कामं भुवनेषु कामं सङ्घापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः संगातिरेकरहितो ललितं चचार अत्यंत संग विलयाय भवत्प्रनुन्नो नूनं सरूप्य गिरिमाप्य महत् समाजे निशंकम् अंककृत वल्लभम् अंगजारिं तं शंकरं परिहसन् उमयाभिषेपे निस्संभ्रमस्त्वयम् अयाचितशापमेक्षो मोक्षो वृत्रासुरत्वम् उपगम्य सुरेन्द्रयोधी भक्त्यात्मतत्त्व कथनै समरे विचित्रं शत्रोरपि भ्रममपास्य गतः पदं ते त्वत्सेवनेन दितिरिन्द्रवधोद्यथापि तान् प्रत्युतेन्द्र सुहृदो मरुतो बिलेबे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदेव भवन्निषेवा तत्तादृशा त्वम मां पवनालयेशा. श्री कृष्णाय प्रभवे नमः. Sorry, கொஞ்சம் நிறைய மிஸ்டேக்ஸ். ஒரு தடவை தான் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணேன்.
Thank you சுஜா, எனக்காக நீ அதை படிச்சதுக்கு.
ஆமா, நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் தான் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணேன். இப்போ ஒரு நிமிஷம்ல ஒரு தடவை பண்ணினேன்.
இதே தான் நானும் அப்படிதான் பண்ணேன் நானும்.
I know. No problem. No problem. Thanks.
Okay, so we'll get started. So today Kashyap, you can be a student. Ammu Chechi, you can be a student. And later on Uma, you can be, and we'll see who's the fourth one, right? If somebody joins, they can else can pick someone. Okay, so we'll go to 41 today, right? We'll do 41 and 42. Those are also small chapters, so we should be able to get both of them done. So 41. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. So Brajesh Varaha. So put the ish there. Brajesh Varash Shauri Vacho Nishamya, comma. Samabrajan Nadvani. Samabrajan plus Advani. So double na comes there. Samabrajan Nadvani Bhita Chetaha. Nishpishta Nishesha Tarum Nirikshya, comma. Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gatastvam. Brajeshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya Samabrajannadvani Bhita Chetaha Nishpishta Nishesha Tarum Nirikshya Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gatastvam. Amuchichi, you want to go? Amuchichi, you want to?
Oh, okay. I thought Kashyap was going first.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
I can. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, me?
Yeah, go. Yeah.
Okay. Vrajeshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya Samabrajanna Dvani Bhita Chetaha Nishpishta Nisheshatarum Nirikshya Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gatastvam. Vrajeshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya Samabrajanna Dvani Bhita Chetaha Nishpishta Nisheshatarum Nirikshya Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gatastvam.
Brajeshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya Sambravajannathvani Bhita Chedaha Nishpishta Nisheshatarum Nirikshya Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gadastvam.
Amuchichi, second line. I heard a Samra. It is Sama Brajan.
Okay, thank you. Brajeshwara Shauri Vacho Nishamya Samabrajannadhvani Bhita Chetaha Nishpishta Nisheshatarum Nirikshya Kanjit Padartham Sharanam Gadastvam.
Nishamya Gopi Vachanadu Dhantam, comma, Sarvepi Gopa Bhaya Vismayandhaha Tvat Patitam Ghora Pishacha Deham, comma, Dehur Vidureta Kuthara Krittam, double the Krittam. Nishamya Gopi Vachanadudhantam Sarvepi Gopa Bhaya Vismayandhaha Tvatpatitam Ghora Pishacha Deham Dehur Vidureta Kuthara Krittam.
Nishamya Gopi Vachanadudantam Sarvepi Gopa Bhaya Vismayandaha Tvatpatitam Gora Pishacha Deham Dehur Vidureta Kutara Krittam.
Third line. Tvatpatitam. Not ta, okay? Patitam.
Patitam. Okay.
No ta. Titam.
Yeah.
TH.
Nishamya Gopi Vachanadudantam Sarvepi Gopa Bhaya Vismayandaha Tvatpatitam Gora Pishacha Deham Dehur Vidureta Kutara Kirtam.
Nishamya Gopi Vajanadudantam Sarvepi Gopa Bhaya Vismayantaha Tvatpatitam Gora Pishacha Deham Dehur Vidureta Kutara Krittam. Nishamya Gopi Vajanadudantam Sarvepi Gopa Bhaya Vismayantaha Tvatpatitam Gora Pishacha Deham Dehur Vidureta Kutara Krittam.
Tvat Pita Puta Stana Tasharirat. tat sharirat, that's ich and then a ch, tat sharirat, comma, samuchalan, it's samuchalan uchchataro, so but you'll see the double na and the nu, so samuchalan nuchataro hi dhumaha shankam adhadha garava. If you want to break it, shankam adhadha garavaha is there, so put a if joining, garavah kimeshaha, so put a visarga at the end of sh there and a comma, kimeshaha, comma, kim chandano gaulgula votha veti, gaulgula votha veti, twatpita puta sthanatascharirat samuchalannuchataro hi dhumaha shankamadhada garavah kimeshaha kim chandano gaulgulavota veti.
Tvatpita putasthanatacharirat rate, just
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
samuchalannuchataro hi dhumaha shankamadada garavakimeshaha kim chandano gaulgulavota veti. Tvatpita putasthanatacharirat samuchalannuchataro hi dhumaha shankamadada garavakimeshaha kim chandano gaulgulavota veti.
त्वत्पीदपूदस्तनतश्चरीराद समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः शङ्गामदादागरवक्खिमेषः किं चान्दनो गौल्गुलवोधवेति त्वत्पीदपूदस्तनतश्चरीराद समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः शङ्गामदादागरवक्खिमेषः Kim Chandano Gaulgulavothaveti.
So that big body of Putana, when it eventually came down crashing, and it was a massive body, so they had to, when they went and buried and they went and burnt it, cremated it. So they were expecting like bad smell to come because she was like a demon, but it was fragrance which was actually coming when they actually burnt her body, right? Because of the contact she had with Lord Krishna. So that's what they're saying. When they got the smell, they're wondering, is this agharavaha, which means is incense sticks, like that's getting burnt, or it is chandano, is it sandalwood that is getting burnt, or it is gaulgulavo, is a gulgulu, is another type of like a fragrant thing. So they were all wondering, what is this that is actually getting burnt? Because that was a fragrance coming out when they eventually cremated Putana's body here. Madanga sangasya phalam na dhure, comma, kshanena tavat bhavatam api syat. Ityullapan vallava talla jebhyaha, comma, tvam Putanam Athanuta. If you want to break it, Putanam Athanutaha is there. Put a is there. Athanutas Sugandhim. Madanga sangasya phalam na dhure kshanena tavat bhavatam apisyat ityullapan vallavatalla jebhyah tvam putanam athanutas sugandhim.
Madanga sangasya phalam na dure kshanena tavat bhavatam apisyat ityullapan valavatalla jebhyah tvam putanamatanuta sugandhim.
The third line, vallava, double, okay, vallava talla.
Madanga sangasya phalam na dure kshanena tavat bhavatam apisyat ityullapan vallavatalla jebhyah tvam putanamatanuta sugandhim.
Madanga sangasya phalam na dure kshanena tavat bhavatam abhisyat ityullapan vallavatalla jebhyah tvam putanamadanutha sugandhim. मदङ्गसङ्गस्य फलं न दूरे क्षणेन तावद्भवतामपि स्यात् इत्युल्लभन् वल्लभतल्लजेभ्यः त्वं पूतनामादनुधा सुगन्धिम्
Chitram Pishachya na hataha. So put a ich there. Hatah kumaraha, comma. Chitram Puraivakati Shauri Nedham iti prashamsan kila gopaloko, comma, bhavan mukhaloka rase nyamakshit. Nyamakshit, that K sound in sheet. Chitram Pishachyana hatah kumaraha Chitram Puraivakati Shauri Nedham iti prashamsan kila gopaloko Bhavan Mukaloka Rase Nyamakshit.
चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवाकतिशौरिनेदम् इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोको भवन्मुखालोकरसे न्यमाङ्क्षीत् चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवाकतिशौरिनेदम् इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोको भवन्मुखालोकरसे न्यमाङ्क्षीत्
चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवाकतिशौरिनेदम् इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोको भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत् चित्रं पिशाच्यानहतः कुमारः चित्रं पुरैवाकतिशौरिनेदम् इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोको भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमाङ्क्षीत्
Dine Dhineta Prati Vriddha Lakshmihi. So that R that is there, remove that, put a visarga and a comma. Lakshmihi. Next line starts with the A. Akshina Mangalya Shato Brajoyam Bhavan Nivasadai Vasudeva, comma, Pramoda Sandraha, so put a if there, Sandra Parito Vireje. Dine Dineta Prativriddha Lakshmihi Akshina Mangalya Shato Brajoyam Bhavan Nivasadai Vasudeva Pramoda Sandra Parito Vireje.
दिने दिने प्रतिवृद्धलक्ष्मीः अक्षीणमाङ्गल्यशतो व्रजोऽयं भवन्निवासादै वासुदेव प्रमोदसान्द्राः परितो विरेजे.
Last line. Pramodasandra.
दिने दिने प्रतिवृद्धलक्ष्मीः अक्षीणमाङ्गल्यशतो व्रजोऽयं भवन्निवासादै वासुदेव प्रमोदसान्द्रः परितो विरेजे.
दिने दिने प्रतिवृद्धलक्ष्मीः अक्षीणमाङ्गल्यशतो व्रजोऽयं भवन्निवासादयि वासुदेव प्रमोदसान्द्रः परितो विरेजे. दिने दिने प्रतिवृद्धलक्ष्मीः अक्षीणमाङ्गल्यशतो व्रजोऽयं भवन्निवासादयि वासुदेव प्रमोदसान्द्रः परितो विरेजे.
Griheshu te komala rupa hasa. Then mitaha is there, so put a ich to join, mitah, and then put a plus there. Katha sankulitaha, so again ich there, sankulitah kamanyaha. So that whole two lines are together. Vritteshu krityeshu bhavan niriksha, again put a plus. Samagataha, so put a if there, samagata pratyaham atyanandhan. So just both the lines are together. Griheshu te komala rupaha sammitah kata sankulitah kamanyah वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन् निरीक्षा समागता प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन्
गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपः मितकथा संकुलिता कमन्यः वृत्तेषु कृतेषु भवन् निरीक्षा समागता प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन्.
We should couple of things. So first line, Komala Rupa Hasa Meta. So in the Hasa, you take it down a little bit, okay? Then Meta Kata, then you can join it. Then third line, not Briteshu, Briteshu, double the Briteshu.
Okay. गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपः मितः कथा संकुलिता कमन्यः वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन् निरीक्षा समागता प्रत्यहम् अत्यनन्दन्.
And the Niriksha Kapra, there's a plus, okay? Samagata, that comes together as well.
गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपः समिधः कथा संकुलिता कमन्यः वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन् निरीक्षा समागता प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन् गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपः समिधः कथा संकुलिता कमन्यः वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन् निरीक्षा समागता प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन्.
In this, right, in the next couple of stanzas, I mean, what we just went through and everything, they're just talking about how the Gopikas on a daily basis were just constantly thinking about a lot. I think we saw it, we learned it in the 80th chapter or something, right? When they talk about the Gopikas Bhakti and the Gopikas devotion. So here also they're saying that every day as they were doing their daily chores, they were constantly talking about you, O Krishna. And then every day they used to come and see you in the evening as well and play with you, and that used to make them extremely happy, and that's how they kind of spent all their time. Next, aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi comma smitam kritam mam prati vatsakena ehyehi. So that's a half ha is there. So ehyehi mam Ityupasarya Pani, long E, comma. Some books had Panim, but majority had Pani. So you can just change it to Pani if you have Panim there. Pani, comma. Tvayisha Kim na Kritam Bhadubihi. So they again talks about what all did they not do. Kim na Bhadubihi. What all did they not do to spend time with you and then being with you very affectionately and lovingly every single day. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvahi shakim kim na kritam badhubihi.
Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena ehyehi mam ityupasarya pani. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena ehyehi mam ityupasarya pani tvayi shakim kim na kritam vadubihi.
Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvayi shakim kim na kritam vadubihi. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi smitam kritam mam prativatsakena ehyehi mamityupasarya pani tvayi shakim kim na kritam vadubihi.
Bhavat Vapuhu. So Putta is there. Bhavat Vapus Sparshana Kautukena, comma, Karatkaram Gopa Vadhu Janena Nitas Tvam Atamra Saroja Mala, put a plus, Vyalambhi Lolambha tulam alasihi. So again, which is said in the Uddhava, when Uddhava comes and then he preaches all of these things to Gopikas, right? So that's where he realizes that the Gopika, this bhakti, or the love that the Gopikas had is unparalleled, right? That's what he learns, that none of this praying, none of the scriptures didn't work because they just had unparalleled love and devotion to the Lord. So again, this is just talking about the various ways and how, the way they were passing, even when we go see a child, right? We keep passing from one person to another. So they were passing Krishna, who was like 1 year at this time when Putana's thing happened. They were, or even less. So they were passing him from one person to another, like a bee goes from one flower to another in a garland, right? That's what they're just comparing him here. Bhavat vapusparshana kautukena karat karam gopavadhu janena Nitastwamatamra sarojamala vyalam vilolam batulam alasihi.
Bhavad vapusparshana kautukena karat karam gopavadu janena Nitastwamatamra sarojamala vyalam vilolam batulam alasihi.
Third and fourth line together. Okay. Plus.
Bhavat vapusparshana kautukena karat karam gopavadu janena Nitastwamatamra sarojamala vyalam vilolam batulam alasihi.
Bhavadvadusparshana kautukena karatkaram gopavadhu janena Nidastwamatamra sarojamala vyalam bilolam batulamalasihi. Bhavadvadusparshana kautukena karatkaram gopavadhu janena Nidastwamatamra sarojamala vyalam bilolam batulamalasihi.
Nipayayanti stanam angakam twam, comma, bilokayanti vadanam hasanti dasham yashoda katamam na bheje, comma, sa tadrushaha. So put a if tadrushah pahi hare gadanmam. Nipayayanti stanamangakam twam bilokayanti vadanam hasanti dasham yashoda katamam na bheje satadrishah pahi hare gadhanmam.
Nipayayanti stanamankagam twam vilokayanti vadanam hasanti dasham yashoda katamam nabeje satadrishak pahi hare gadanmam. Nipayayanti stanamangakam twam vilokayanti vadanam hasanti dasham yashoda katamam naveje satadrisha pahi hare gadanmam.
Nipayayanti stanamangagam twam vilokayanti vadanam hasanti dasham yashoda katamam nabeje satadrisha pahi hare gadanmam. Nipayayanti stanamangagam twam vilokayanti vadanam hasanti dasham yashoda katamam nabeje satadrisha pahi hare gadanmam.
So it's again pretty small chapter there. So we'll go to the next one. So maybe Uma and Lakshmi, if you can be students. Okay. Okay. So 42. Kadapi janmar kshadine tava prabho, comma, nimantrita nyati vadhu mahisura mahanasas tvam sabidhe nidaya sa, comma, mahana sadhau babrute brajeshwari.
Rajesh, can you say it again?
Okay.
Starting with it.
Yeah. Kadapi जन्मर्क्षदिने तव प्रभो कॉमा निमंत्रित ज्ञाति वधू महीसुरा
ஓ அது ஏதோ டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு சார். என்ன நிமன் என்னது?
निमंत्रित
நிமனித்ரன் இருக்குங்க.
சுராஹா இல்லையா?
மஹீசுராஹான்னு போட்டிருக்கு.
சுராஹா
விசர்கா இருக்கு.
Okay, we can change that. That's okay. But so we'll come to one second. So niman nimantrita
நிமந்திரித்தவ. ஓகே.
Yeah.
அதுக்கப்புறம்
निमंत्रित ज्ञाति ज्ञानम அந்த ஞா இருக்கு இல்லையா ஞாதி
நிமந்திரித்த ஞாத்தியா.
ஞாதி. Wait, what do you have? Like I can open up. You have the English version or the Sanskrit version?
இது இங்கிலீஷ் வெர்ஷன்.
Okay, let me open up. I have the PDF. So
என்னோட ராஜேஷ் சொன்ன அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. இன்ஃபேக்ட் விசர்கா கூட இல்ல, அதே தான் இருக்கு.
let me open up.
Kashyap, what does it show, Kashyap?
He has the same thing as you. So
அப்போ
he has the same PDF, right? So nimanitra. Okay, so that is wrong definitely. So nimantrita
நிமந்திரித்த
ஞாதி and nati nu potirukku. See J போட்டுட்டு they have put that some sign.
Yeah, you're saying ஞாத்தி, right? அங்க நாவே இல்லையா, அதான் யோசிக்கிறேன்.
இல்லைங்க J போட்டு N போட்டிருக்கா இல்லையா?
ஓ அச்சா அந்த தவே. ஓகே ஓகே. ஓ ஓகே. ஐ தாட் லைக் நிமனித்ரக்கு அப்புறம் ஏதோ ஒரு த கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகே.
Nimantrita and the J and N that they have in your English.
Yeah, ஞாத்தி. Okay, got
sign in
it.
between. That's nya because they can't quite put it.
Okay.
Gnati Mahisura. So Mahisura தான் இருக்குமா? Even in this version also couple of versions there's no visarga there. So
எங்க book இருக்கு. I can take it out.
Yeah, we'll correct it.
So kadapi janmakshadine tava prabho निमंत्रित ज्ञाति वधू महीसुरा महानसस्त्वां सविधे निधाय सा महानसादौ ववृते ब्रजेश्वरी
कदापि जन्मर्क्षदिने तव प्रभो निमंत्रित ज्ञाति वधू महीसुरा महानसस्त्वां सविधे निधाय सा महानसादौ ववृते ब्रजेश्वरी कदापि जन्मर्क्षदिने तव प्रभो निमंत्रित ज्ञाति वधू महीसुरा महानसस्त्वां सविधे निधाय सा महानसादौ ववृते व्रजेश्वरी
कदापि जन्मर्क्षदिने तव प्रभो निमंत्रित ज्ञाति वधू महीसुरा महानसस्त्वां सविधे निधाय सा महानसाधौ ववृते व्रजेश्वरी कदापि जन्मर्क्षदिने तव प्रभो निमंत्रित ज्ञाति वधू महीसुरा महानसस्त्वां सविधे निधाय सा महानसाधौ ववृते व्रजेश्वरी
ततो भवत् त्राण नियुक्त बालक and then put a plus prabhiti sankrandhana sankula ravaihi. So that line is continuous. Bimishram ashravi bhavat samipataha comma parisputat. So then the double the is there. You can break it. Parisputat dharu chatach chata ravaha. Parisputat dharu chatach chata ravaha. तधो भवत्रान नियुक्त भालक प्रभीदि संक्रंधन संकुलारवैः बिमिश्रमश्राभि भवत् समीपतः परिस्फुटद्धारु चटच्चटारवः
ततो भवत्राणनियुक्त बालक प्रभीति संक्रंदन संकुलारवैः विमिश्रमश्रावि भवत् समीपतः परिस्फुटत्तारु चटच्चटारवः ततो भवत्राणनियुक्त बालक प्रभीति क्रंदन संकुलारवैः विमिश्रमश्रावि भवत् समीपतः परिस्फुटत्तारु चटच्चटारवः.
ततो भवत्राणनियुक्तबालकप्रभीतिसङ्क्रन्धन सङ्कुलारवैः विमिश्रमश्राविभवत्समीपतः परिस्फुटद्धारुचटच्चटावरः
चटारवः
रवः ततो भवत्राणनियुक्तबालकप्रभीतिसङ्क्रन्धन सङ्कुलारवैः विमिश्रमश्राविभवत्समीपतः परिस्फुटद्धारुचटच्चटारवः
ततस् तदा कर्णन संभ्रम श्रम again plus प्रकम्पि वक्षोज भरा व्रजांगनाः भवन्तम् अंतर धदृशुस् समन्ततो comma बिनिष्पतत् धारुण if you want to break it बिनिष्पतत् धारुण धारु मध्यगम ततस्तथा कर्णन संभ्रम श्रम प्रकम्पि वक्षोज भरा व्रजांगनाः भवन्तमन्तर्धदृशुः समन्ततो विनिष्पतद्धारुण दारु मध्यगम्
ततस्तदा कर्णन संभ्रम श्रमं प्रकम्पि वक्षोजभरा व्रजांगनाः भवन्तमन्तर्ददृशुः समन्ततः विनिष्पतद्दारुणदारुमध्यगम्.
Couple of quick first line, wherever the first or second line, sambrama shramam, you said this is sambrama shrama.
Oh,
Shrama prakampi, right?
okay.
And the second and the third lines, I think some books have samantataha, some books have samantato, so you can just maybe change it to samantato.
Oh, tatahalya.
Samantato. I don't know what is the rule of when tataha applies and when tato applies, but some books have it as tataha, some have it as tato.
ततस्तदा कर्णन संभ्रम श्रम प्रकम्पि वक्षोजभरा व्रजांगनाः भवन्तमन्तर्ददृशुः समन्ततो विनिष्पतद्दारुणदारुमध्यगम्.
ततस्तदा कर्णन संभ्रम श्रम प्रकम्पि वक्षोजभरा व्रजांगनाः भवन्तमन्तर्ददृशुः समन्ततो विनिष्पतद्दारुणदारुमध्यगम्. ततस्तदा कर्णन संभ्रम श्रम प्रकम्पि वक्षोजभरा व्रजांगनाः ददृशुः समन्ततो विनिष्पतद्दारुमध्यगम्.
शिशोरहो किमभूदिति किमभूदिति द्रुतं कमा प्रदाव्य नंदः, so put if there नंदः पशुपाश्च भूसुराः भवन्तम् आलोक्य यशोदया धृतं कमा समाश्वसन अश्रु, but double n is there because of the n. So समाश्वसन अश्रु जलार्ध लोचनाः शिशोरहो किमभूदिति द्रुतं प्रदाव्य नन्दः पशुपाश्च भूसुराः भवन्तमालोक्य यशोदया धृतं समाश्वसन्नश्रुजलार्द्रलोचनाः.
शिशोरहो शिशोरहो किमभूदिति द्रुतं प्रधाव्य नन्दः पशुपाश्च भूसुराः भवन्तमालोक्य यशोदया धृतं समाश्वसन्नश्रुजलार्द्रलोचनाः. शिशोरहो किमभूदिति द्रुतं प्रधाव्य नन्दः पशुपाश्च भूसुराः भवन्तमालोक्य यशोदया धृतं समाश्वसन्नश्रुजलार्द्रलोचनाः।
शिशोरहो किमभूदिति द्रुतं प्रधाव्यनन्दः पशुपाश्च भूसुराः भवन्तमालोक्य यशोदया धृतं समाश्वसन्नश्रुजलार्द्रलोचनाः शिशोरहो किमभूदिति द्रुतं प्रधाव्यनन्द पशुपाश्च भूसुराः भवन्तमालोक्य यशोदया धृतं जलार्द्रलोचनाः।
कस्को नु कौतस् कुत एष विस्मयो कॉमा विशंकटं यच्च कटं विपाटितं न कारणं किंचिदिहेति ते स्थिताः कॉमा स्वनासिका दत्त करास्त्वदीक्षकाः। कस्को नु कौतस्कुत एष विस्मयो विशंकटं यच्छ कटं विपाटितं न कारणं किंचिदिहेति ते स्थिताः स्वनासिका दत्तकरास्त्वदीक्षकाः।
What is the last word? Kara?
करास् त्वदीक्षकाः
Kara, okay. Karas twadikshakaha, right?
If you have karaha, then you can put the is to join the
Okay.
joining letter will be is. If you have visarga
Thank
there.
you.
कस्को नु कौतस्कुत एष विस्मयो विशंकटं यच्छ कटं विपाटितं न कारणं किंचिदिहेति ते स्थिताः स्वनासिका दत्तकरास्त्वदीक्षकाः। कस्को नु कौतस्कुत एष विस्मयो विशंकटं यच्छ कटं विपाटितं न कारणं किंचिदिहेति ते स्थिताः स्वनासिका दत्तकरास्त्वदीक्षकाः।
कस्को नु कौतस्कुत एष विस्मयो विशंकटं यच्च कटं विपातितं न कारणं किंचिदिहेति ते स्थिताः स्वनासिका दत्तकरास्त्वदीक्षकाः। कस्को नु कौतस्कुत एष विस्मयो विशंकटं यच्च कटं विपातितं न कारणं किंचिदिहेति ते स्थिताः स्वनासिका दत्तकरास्त्वदीक्षकाः।
कुमार कस्यास्य पयोदरार्थिनः कॉमा प्ररोदने लोल पदाम्बुजाहतं मया दृष्टमनो विपर्यगात. So on the D that is there, you first make it a it and a comma, viparyagat, comma. Next word starts with the E. Itisha te palaka balaka jaguhu. Kumarakasya payodararthinah prarodane lola padambujahatam maya drishtamano viparyagat. इतिशते पालक बालका जगुः.
कुमारकस्यास्य पयोधरार्थिनः प्ररोदने लोलपदाम्बुजाहतं मया दृष्टमनो विपर्यगात् इतिशते पालक बालका जगुः. कुमारकस्यास्य पयोधरार्थिनः प्ररोदने लोलपदाम्बुजाहतं मया दृष्टमनो विपर्यगात् इतीशते पालकबालका जगुः
कुमारकस्यास्य पयोधरार्धिनः परोर्धने लोलपदाम्बुजाहतं मया दृष्टमनो विपर्यगात् इतीशते पालकबालका जगुः.
Lakshmi, in the first line, end payodhararthinaha, not the. Okay. And the next word is prarodhane. Prarodhane.
Prarodhane payodhararthinah.
Thinaha. Th. Thinaha.
Thinah. Okay. कुमारकस्यास्य पयोधरार्थिनः ओ तिरुबोधा चल रहे
the and the correct the payodhararthinaha. The first is a the, second is a th.
Okay. पयोधरार्थिनः
Correct.
प्ररोर्दने लोलपदाम्बुजाहतं मया दृष्टमनो विपर्यगात् इतीशते पालकबालका जगुः.
भिया tada kinchit ajanatam. If you want to break it, become kinchit ajanatam, or you say the whole word kinchida janatam idam. Kinchida janatam idam, comma kumara khanam ati durgatam vachaha bhavat prabhava vidurair itiritam. Bhavat prabhava vidurair itiritam together, or vidurair itiritam, comma managi vashankyata. Managi vashankyata, it's difficult to break that word. Drishta putanaihi. Bhiya tada king. Sorry, what was the question? Bhiya tada kinchida janatamidam kumarakanaamati durghatam vachaha bhavat prabhava vidurairiritiritam managi vashankyata drishta putanaihi.
धिया तदा किञ्चिदजानतामिदं कुमारकाणामतिदुर्घटं वचः भवत्प्रभावाविदुरैरितीरितं मनागिवा शङ्क्यत दृष्टपूतनैः. भिया तदा किञ्चिदजानतामिदं कुमारकाणामतिदुर्घटं वचः भवत्प्रभावाविदुरैरितीरितं मनागिवा शङ्क्यत दृष्टपूतनैः.
धिया तथा किञ्चित् जानतामिदं कुमारकाणाम् अति दुर्घटं वचः भवत्प्रभावाविधुरैरितीरितं मनागिवशङ्क्यत दृष्टपूतनैः.
Last line, managi vashankyata.
वाशङ्क्यत दृष्टपूतनैः. धिया तथा किञ्चिद् जनाताम् इदं
janatamidam.
जानतामिदं जना चल रही है. ओके. धिया तथा किञ्चित् जानतामिदं कुमारकाणाम् अतिदुर्घटं वचः भवत्प्रभावाविधुरैरितीरितं मनागि वाशङ्क्यत दृष्टपूतनैः.
Pravala tamram kimidam padam kshatam, comma saroja ramyau nu karau virojitau iti prasarpat karuna tarangitaha. And the is there, remove that is and put a visarga and a comma. Tarangitaha, comma twadhangam apasprishur anganajanaha. So that whole word you can break into three parts. Twadhangam apasprishur anganajanaha. or you can say the whole word together as well. Pravalatamram kimidam padam kshatam sarojaram yaunukarau virojitau iti prasarpat karuna tarangitaha twadangamapasprushurangana janaha.
प्रवालताम्रं किमिदं पदं क्षतं सरोजरं यौनुकरौ विरोजितौ इति प्रसर्पत्करुणात्तरङ्गिताः त्वदङ्गमापस्पृशरङ्गनाजनाः पृशुरङ्गनाजनाः प्रवालताम्रं किमिदं पदं क्षतं सरोजरं यौनुकरौ विरोजितौ इति प्रसर्पत्करुणात्तरङ्गिताः त्वदङ्गमापस्पृशुरङ्गनाजनाः
प्रवालताम्रं किमिदं पदं क्षतं सरोजरं यौनुकरौ विरोजितौ इति प्रसर्पत्करुणातरङ्गिताः त्वदङ्गमापस्पृशुरङ्गनाजनाः प्रवालताम्रं किमिदं पदं क्षतं सरोजरं यौनकरौ विरोजितौ इति प्रसर्पत्करुणातरङ्गिताः त्वदङ्गमापस्पृशुरङ्गनाजनाः
Aye sutam dehi jagatpatehe is there, so put a if to join jagatpate, and then the whole first two lines are together, so you can put a plus however it is divided in your book. Jagatpate kripa taranga patat paripatam adya me, or paripadam adya me iti sma sangrihya pita twadangakam, comma muhuhu is there, so put a ish, muhush shlishyati jata kantakaha. Ahe sutam dehi jagatpate kripa tarangapatat paripata madhyame iti sma sangrihya pita twadangakam muhushlishyati jata kantakaha.
अये सुतं देहि जगत्पतेः कृपातरङ्गपातात् परिपात. It actually the tune point.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ahe sutam dehi jagatpate kripa tarangapatat paripata madhyame.
Okay. अये सुतं देहि जगत्पतेः कृपातरङ्गपातात् परिपातमध्यमे इति स्म संगृह्य पिता त्वदङ्गकं मुहुर्मुहुश्लिष्यति चातकण्ठकः. अये सुतं देहि जगत्पतेः
Sorry. And the jagat pateh, right, is just a ich, right, not a ha. I think you're saying pateh, you're adding one extra syllable there, one half syllable.
Okay. अये सुतं देहि जगत्पतेः कृपातरङ्गपातात् परिपातमध्यमे इति स्म संगृह्य पिता त्वदङ्गकं मुहुर्मुहुश्लिष्यति जातकण्ठकः.
अये सुतं देहि जगत्पते कृपातरङ्गपातात् परिपातमध्यमे इति स्म संगृह्य पिता त्वदङ्गकं मुहुर्मुहुश्लिष्यति जातकण्ठकः. अये सुतं देहि जगत्पते कृपातरङ्गपातात् परिपातमध्यमे इति स्म संगृह्य पिता त्वदङ्गकं मुहुर्मुहुश्लिष्यति जातकण्ठकः.
Ano nilinaha is there, so put that if to join. Ano nilinah kila hantum agataha, comma surari revam bhavata bihim sitaha rajopi no drishtam amushya tat katam, comma sa shuddha sattve, double half stars are there, shuddha sattve त्वयि लीनवान् ध्रुवम् अनो निलीनः किल हन्तुमागतः सुरारिरेवं भवता विहिंसितः रजोऽपि नो दृष्टममुष्य तत्कथं सशुद्धसत्त्वे त्वयि लीनवान् ध्रुवम्
अनो निलीनः किल हन्तुमागतः सुरारिरेवं भवता विहिंसितः रजोऽपि नो दृष्टममुष्य तत्कथं सशुद्धसत्त्वे त्वयि लीनवान् ध्रुवम् अनो निलीनः किल हन्तुमागतः सुरारिरेवं भवता विहिंसितः रजोऽपि नो दृष्टममुष्य तत्कथं सशुद्धसत्त्वे त्वयि लीनवान् ध्रुवम्
अनो निलीनः किल हन्तुमागतः सुरारिरेवं भवता विहिंसितः रजोऽपि नो दृष्टं नमुष्य तत्कथं सशुद्धसत्त्वे त्वयि लीनवान् ध्रुवम् अनो निलीनः किल हन्तुमागतः सुरारिरेवं भवता विहिंसितः रजोऽपि नो दृष्टममुष्य तत्कथं सशुद्धसत्त्वे त्वयि लीनवान् ध्रुवम्
प्रपूजितैस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः and the ir that is on top of v, remove that and put a visarga and a comma. Dvijatibihi, comma. Visheshato lambita mangalashishaha, comma. Brajam nijair balya rasair vimohayan, comma. Marutpuradhisha rujam jahihime. प्रपूजितैस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः विशेषतो लम्बितमङ्गलाशिषः ब्रजं निजैर्बाल्यरसैर्विमोहयन् मरुत्पुराधीशरुजां जहीहि मे
प्रपूजितैस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः विशेषतो लम्बितमङ्गलाशिषः व्रजं निजैर्बाल्यरसैर्विमोहयन् मरुत्पुराधीशरुजां जहीहि मे प्रपूजितैस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः विशेषतो लम्बितमङ्गलाशिषः व्रजं निजैर्बाल्यरसैर्विमोहयन् मरुत्पुराधीशरुजां जहीहि मे
प्रपूजितस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः विशेषतो लम्बितमङ्गलाशिषः व्रजं निजैर्बाल्यरसैर्विमोहयन् मरुत्पुराधीशरुजां जहीहि मे प्रपूजितैस्तत्र ततो द्विजातिभिः विशेषतो लम्बितमङ्गलाशिषः व्रजं निजैर्बाल्यरसैर्विमोहयन् मरुत्पुराधीशरुजां जहीहि मे
Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Also pretty small chapter. So I think we can stop here. I don't want to take the third one also today because then you have to practice. So since we have like 10-15 minutes, we can do a couple of things, right? If in the chapters we have learned, right? I think we have now finished 16 dasakams, right? In this set. So if anyone wants to chant any of those 16, like we probably have another 15 minutes, we can probably do 3 chapters. You can do it, or if you find any of the chapter stuff, I can chant and you guys can do it in mute, whatever works. If anyone, whoever wants to volunteer to chant any chapter. Okay, Priya. You're on mute.
Which chapter, Rajesh?
Anything. I think I'm in the
Right,
third,
right.
the third is batch of 16 chapters which we have done, right? You can pick any of that. Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, Adil, yeah, sure.
Of course, not the 2 we did today, 41, 42. We already did 20 and 23 also. So maybe from that 2 to 19, if anyone wants to chant any chapter.
19 Panata.
Panna.
श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। पृतोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्मकर्मटः प्राचीनबर्हिर्युवतौ शतद्रुतौ प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसः सुतान् अजीजनत्वत्करुणाङ्गुरानिव पितुस्सिसृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापिते पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरं तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतो भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसाम् उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम् स्तवं जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः भवत्सुखास्वदरसादमीश्वीयान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्नशीघ्रता तपोभिरेषाम् अतिमात्रवर्धिभिः सयज्ञहिंसा निरतोऽपि पावितः पितापि तेषां गृहयात् नारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मतां ययौ कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसां प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चिदद्युतिः प्रचेतसां तावदया च तामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यवरानदाः भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनां भवद्वसौ रुद्रनुतिश्च कामदा अवाप्य कान्तां तनयां महीरुहां तया रमध्वं दशलक्षवत्सरीं सुतोस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणात् च मां प्रयास्यतेति न्यगदो मुदैवतान् ततश्च ते भूतलरोद्गीनस्तरून् क्रुधा दहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः द्रुमैश्च दत्तां तनयामवाप्यतां त्वदुक्तकालं सुखिनोभिरेमिरे अवाप्य दक्षं च सुतं कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसो अवाप्य दक्षं च सुतं कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया अवापुरानन्दपदं तथाविदः त्वमीशवातालयनाथ पाहि मां। श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः।
Since you picked this 19, I remembered that I was supposed to tell a small story on this chapter, which I never got to. So I'll maybe take like a couple minutes, right? So I don't know how many of you have been to Guruvayur, right, in person. So the story here is, and the Prithu who was there, his grandson, Prachina Barhis. So all this creation was all going on. And this Prachina Barhis, to expand, to get more creation going on, he had 10 sons. They were called as Prachetas. So that Prachetas, they were all told that you have to go and you have to get knowledge, right? Obtain the jnanam, and eventually you have to expand creation, right? So at the command of their father, they keep going towards the Western Sea. So they keep going towards the Arabian Sea, and they keep going towards that direction. And on the shore or close to the sea there, they actually see a beautiful lake. So in that lake, right, they actually, that lake, when they started meditating there, so Lord Shiva then appeared in front of them there and then taught them what is called as Rudra Gita. So Rudra Gita is a praise that Shiva does for Mahavishnu. That Rudra Gita is actually there in Bhagavatam, that in this chapter when they're explaining it, the Rudra Gita actually comes. So you can Google that. It has got about some 20 or 30 stanzas of of Shiva praising Mahavishnu. But the reason I was telling about this is about the importance of Guruvayur, right? As like we saw when we first started the class, we were telling how that the Guruvayur Bhattadripad one there, and before Bhattadripad in the Janame Jayan, he came because he had that he did a yajna where all the snakes came, so he had skin disease, so he also came here. The reason for importance is in the Guruvayur Pakatla, there is this place called Mammiyur, which was the original establishment, where there's a Shiva temple and there's a Parvati temple also there. And I know Priya Srikumar, who's here, I think she's very close to the region, so she can also comment. So on the Mammiyur was what was originally there. So on the Mammiyur, before Guruvayur came, Lord Shiva and Madhindra, in the Samayat, the Prachetas, they go there. And when they go there, and Shiva is teaching them the Rudra Geetam, and then they meditate on that lake. Now, which lake that is? Right? So Priya, do you know, since you are from close to Guruvayur?
No, Rajesh, I don't know. Amucheshi may know. I don't know.
Rajesh, there is a Rudra Tirtham there. That is the Kshetra Kulam, they call it. That's where the Arata for Guruvayur Ulsavam goes on. It's like a pond.
Yeah.
And Shiva and Parvati were doing dance there.
Correct.
On the shores of that lake.
Correct.
And that's why it's called Rudra Tirtham.
Correct. Exactly.
And that place is still there. That's where they do the Arata for Ulsavam, and all the Nambudiri, they take their baths there before going into the temple for puja.
So what I think, Amujaji, that's the same pond or tank which is there right next to the temple, right?
Yes, that's what the Guruvayur Puresha story says. But in Bhagavatam, they say this was Gokarnam. There is another story.
Yeah, no, I think this is the reason Bhattadripad is, I'll tell you why I asked this question, right? If you look at the third stanza, I think it's the third stanza, yeah. So it says, Tadha bhavattirtamidham samagato bhavo bhavatseva kadarshanadrataha. So Bhattadripad, you got to imagine, right? He's sitting inside the temple. Of course, now the temple is completely different, but you have to imagine how the temple would have been without all those massive entrances and everything. It would have been just a small temple. So he's sitting right in front of the Sannidhanam there, and he's composing this. So he then says, this lake of yours, right? So this is, if it was some other lake, right, Amuchechi, he would have said that lake or that Gokarna or that pond or something, right?
Yeah,
but he says, Thada bhavat tirtamidam. Then Prachetas and everybody come to this pond of yours, right? Where they actually meditated, right? So it is that, so at least according to what Bhattadripad has written, the pond, which is, or the tank, or whatever you want to call it, right? The water body, which is right next to the temple, right? Is the place where Prachetas, the 10 people, 10 sons came there, and then Lord Shiva then composed the Rudra Geetam and taught it to them. And that's why that tank is so sacred. Of course, now if you go, everybody, we bath there. I've taken bath there several times, right? Ella soap you put it and it's become dirty, but that is the thing. And the other importance of that pond or the tank is the next paragraph, right? They are on the Stavam Japantas Tamami Jalanthare Bhavantamase Vishata Yutam Samaha. So this Prachetasas, for Ayutam Samaha, for 10,000 years, they meditate where? Jalantare, inside that water, right? So inside that water, that sacred tank there, holy lake or whatever you want to call it, they meditate there for 10,000 years. Now the question is, why did the god not come in front of them soon? Unlike Dhruva, right, who meditated for a few months in the forest and then the Vishnu appeared. The reason the god did not come, it seems, is because I know you all have felt it, and even I know, like when you are, let's say you're going for a trip, and then you're planning for the trip. So you go through several months of planning, and you enjoy that journey of planning rather than the trip itself, right? So when I used to run a lot of races before, I used to practice for 6 months. I used to enjoy the journey, and the race day will come, and in 2-3 hours, that whole thing will get over. So what was happening was, these Prachetasas, they were meditating, and they had gone to a situation where they were actually enjoying that process of meditation and thinking about that Lord. that they did not actually want the Lord to come also. Like they were just so immersed in that meditation and they were enjoying it so much that they did not care that why is the God not coming? They didn't even think. So another, they were meditating for 10,000 years. And eventually then, the God came, that comes in the 6th stanza, and then the Lord appeared and everything. I'm saying this because the Sthala Puranam of Guruvayur, of why it is like, this is before Guruvayur got created, right? That Mammiyur, that lake and all, were still there. And then later on, after Dwapara Yugam, when Krishna, after the Dwaraka got destroyed, and then it got moved, the idol got moved there, which is when the Guruvayur temple was established. But the lake which is there has been in existence for a really long time. And that's what Bhattaripad says in that stanza, is this lake of yours, isn't this where Prachetasas and others and did it? And because he's sitting in the temple, he's probably pointing to that lake, which is right next to that, or that area, right? He's sitting right now. Anyway, that was the context of that 19th chapter, right? Anyway, so I think we're almost time. So I don't know what you all want to do. Like, do you want to, given that August, right, we're 6 weeks away, and I think I'm pretty sure by the rate at which we're going, we'll finish 75 chapters. I think we are at 66, 67 or something, like 66 something right now, right? I think we should be able to finish 75 chapters, right? So if you, I know, like for example, Priya, Arun and Sabita, they tag team, they practice sometimes. So I don't know if you all want to do that so that you get thorough with all 75, or do you want to even meet once an hour, once a week for an hour? I don't know, the timing and all will become complicated, but if you want to something, we can do that, if you want to practice, or if you guys want to just do it all on your own or tag team, that's also good. So I'm open for suggestion. So
Rajesh, chapter assign பண்றீங்களா?
நான் சாப்டர் கடைசில தான் அசைன் பண்ண போறேன் இந்த தடவை.
Okay, எல்லாமே practice பண்ணணும்.
எல்லாரும் எல்லாம் everybody has to practice everything, and I'll assign it maybe 2 weeks back or something. I'm thinking,
Rajesh, I think we can do like 1 hour, whatever time, because tag team now again we have to find like ரெண்டு பேரு அந்த மாதிரிலாம் we have to find.
Yeah, that's what I'm like. Again, I don't know what time is going to be working, right? Because everybody has multiple classes, so it's not an obligatory session. But if we keep it like 1 hour Friday evening or something, right? And then whoever wants can come and chant. I can just say we'll chant from 1 to 10, let's say 1 to 12. We should be able to do 12 chapters in an hour, right? If we just do it non-stop. So whoever wants can come pick the chapter. If nobody's chanting, I can chant, right? And you all can do it in mute also. Either is fine. So we can just start doing something like that to just prep for that, so at least we'll be a little bit thorough, right?
Since you're going to give in the last minute, so I'll rather do this.
So okay. Anyway, so we'll wrap the class here. Om Sandhanantha Bodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtahatre Punarurupurusharthatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattapadbhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Janaham Kahena Vacha Manasendriyerva Buddhyatmana va Prakrute Swabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayanahyeti Samarpayami.
Hey Rajesh, on the Friday 1 hour is a good